Have you ever recorded a voice note, an interview, or even a full video, and then immediately thought, yeah, I am not typing all of that manually, because same. So I found this tool called TurboScribe, and apparently it can turn audio and video into text in just a few clicks. I tested it out, uploaded a file, played around with the settings, and honestly, this might be one of the easiest transcription tools I've tried. Let's see if it's actually worth using. Discover how modern AI tools can save time, reduce effort, and boost creativity through simple explanations, practical examples, and workflows designed for real everyday use. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. If you create content, record meetings, do interviews, make podcasts, or honestly just deal with audio files a lot, transcription can be one of those annoying tasks that eats way more time than it should. So today we're checking out TurboScribe, seeing how it works, what features it offers, what the actual user experience feels like, and whether the free version is enough or if the paid plan makes more sense. Let's jump in. So the concept here is super straightforward. TurboScribe is an AI transcription tool that converts audio or video files into written text. You upload your file, wait a bit, and it gives you a transcript you can read, edit, copy, or export. Simple. But what makes tools like this useful is speed, accuracy, and how painless the process feels. Because a lot of transcription tools technically work, but the workflow feels like punishment. This one feels much cleaner. The first thing I noticed is how ridiculously simple the interface is. No clutter, no confusing dashboards, no weird setup. You land on the upload page, drag in your audio or video file, and that's basically it. There's even the option to upload from a direct link, which is nice. Then you choose your audio language. In my test here, Indonesian was available, which is great for multilingual users. And then you get transcription modes. This part is interesting because they give you three options: Cheetah, fastest mode; Dolphin, balanced mode; and Whale, the most accurate mode. That naming is honestly kind of fun. I tested using the Whale mode because obviously if we're judging transcription quality, accuracy matters most. Then you hit upload and it starts processing. Pretty painless. Here's where tools like this actually become useful. Let's say you're a content creator. You record a YouTube video and want subtitles. Or maybe you want to turn your spoken content into a blog post, or extract quotes, or repurpose your content into social posts. Or maybe you're a student with lecture recordings, or someone handling interviews or team meetings. The biggest problem transcription solves is time, because manually replaying audio every 5 seconds just to type things out. Absolute nightmare. This removes that friction. Another thing I noticed is the dashboard. There's a recent files section where your uploaded transcriptions are stored. So if you're handling multiple projects, you're not just doing one-off conversions and losing everything. There's folder support too, which helps with organization. That's one of those small features that sounds boring until you actually need it. Then suddenly it matters a lot. Now let's talk pricing. From what's shown, the free version gives you 3 daily transcriptions, which is actually decent for casual testing or occasional use. But there's also the unlimited plan. That includes unlimited transcriptions, uploads up to 10 hours per file, up to 5 gigabytes per file, bulk exports, translation support for 134 plus languages, unlimited storage, and priority processing. So the free plan feels like a real trial, while the paid version looks aimed at heavier users. If you've tried TurboScribe before, let me know what your experience was. And if there's another AI tool you want me to test next, drop it in the comments. If this review helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.